What is up, guys? Welcome to Barrookie. Today's video, I'm going to talk about how you can continue getting stronger and working out even while having kids. Because before, you had a lot of time, to spend in the gym getting stronger, but now with these little adorable attention seekers, you're going to find yourself with less time. So we want to optimize our life in order to still continue working out. So why would we want to work out? Of course, you want to be the strongest, the most aesthetically pleasing mommy or daddy in the playground, at the school. You want to be that mom or dad, so you better continue working out. And I'm going to show you a couple of tricks that I've found and that I've implemented with my girlfriend along the way. I have 2 kids. They're awesome, but they take some time to be taken care of. Obviously, we can't complain. We have awesome kids. The first one that I really recommend is that you get a fixed workout schedule, right? I don't mean by the hour, but get some days that working out is a non-negotiable. Like for me and my girlfriend, that is Wednesday and Sunday morning. So Wednesday in the evening when the kids are in bed, that's our time to work out together. Also, a Sunday morning we work out, and that is non-negotiable, right? Put that in your schedule. Know that whenever you plan something, that these times are the times that you work out. And even if you keep yourself at that 95% of the time, that's great. This is also going to keep you persistent. That is also giving you a fixed schedule so you can schedule around your workout time. That is very important because one day you're going to be like, hey, I have so much to do. You're skipping your workouts, and before you know it, there are 5 years past and you haven't worked out anymore. So don't do that. Get a fixed workout schedule. Another thing is, stop commuting to a gym. Stop paying membership for a gym. Get a home gym. Get strong in the space of your house. I have an extra garage here by my house. That's really how I searched for a house. I really want to have a place that had an extra garage so I can make a home gym. So 1, we don't lose time with commute. And 2, when we're working out and the kids need some attention, they can still be around with us in between sets, and we can still work out while having the kids with us. A tip here, a couple that works out together, stays together, is also stronger together. So if at all your significant other can work out with you in the home gym, that's an extra bonus, because that also means that if she's using the equipment, she's also going to have to pay for it. That means you can get more stuff because, yeah, you only have to pay half of it. Think about it. Think about it. And then my third one, because the last one was a bonus, my third recommendation is get a meal plan. And I'm not meaning like a subscription, but make sure every week you make sure that you know what you're going to eat, so you don't have to waste time on getting groceries every single day. No, you get groceries 1 time a week because you already made your list and you know what you need for the next week. So that's easy. And then we have 2 days where we do our meal preps. That way we only have to cook 2 times for 5 meals. So that's very important because you're winning time every single evening, because you don't have to cook, you don't have to do the dishes, all of that good stuff. You can just eat your meal, boom, be done, and then there's still time left to work out. So very important. 3 tips. The first one, make sure that you have a fixed schedule, because that way it's non-negotiable when you have to train. Another one is get a home gym. Get your girlfriend or your boyfriend in the game, so that way they help pay for it, and it's going to be awesome if they can join in your workout. And 3, do some meal prepping so you can save time on cooking and on doing dishes. So yeah, that's it. If you have any more tips, or if you like these tips, please like the video, drop a comment in the comment section below. Let me know how you are working out with your significant other, or how you are dealing with kids and working out. And I guess I'll be seeing you all in the next video. Peace!